Here is the Year 3 and 4 video for Addition and Subtraction, Day 2. The objectives for today are: I can set up my sum in the correct columns. I can also subtract 2 and 3-digit numbers without exchanging. I can even subtract 2 and 3-digit numbers with exchanging. Some vocabulary for today. Column subtraction. This is where a subtraction sum is set out in columns. And again, place value is very important. The numbers shown should be written under the correct column headings. Exchanging. Exchanging involves a higher digit being exchanged. For example, a 10 being exchanged for 10 units, or 100 being exchanged for 10 tens. This then enables the problem to be calculated correctly. Let's have a go at the first question together. I have the numbers 496 take away 42. So the first thing I need to do is to make sure that my sum is set out correctly underneath the column headings. I then start at the ones column. 6 ones take away 2 ones is 4. I move across to the tens column. 9 tens take away 4 tens are 5 tens. Move to the hundreds. 400 take away nothing is 4. So my number is 454. Let's have another go at this one. You have a go first, take a quick pause. Okay, start at the ones column. 8 ones take away 5 ones are 3. Move across to the tens column. 5 tens take away 3 tens are 2 tens. Again, move to the hundreds. 300 take away 100 is 200. Let's have a look at this one. Start at the ones column. Now, don't fall into the trap. I have got 6 ones. I want to take away 8 ones. Now, I can't do that, can I? Look over here, I've got 6, take away 8. I don't have enough. So I need to move across to the tens column, where I have 4 tens. What I'm going to do is I'm going to exchange a 10 over here. So I'm going to move one of the 10 from this column over to here. So now I have 16 ones. Take away 8, which is 8. Move to the tens column. I now have 3 tens. Take away 2 tens, which is 1 10. Finally move to the hundreds. 200, take away nothing, is 200. Let's try this one. I start again with my ones column. 9, take away 5. Yes, I can do this. 9 take away 5 is 4. Move across to the tens column. Now I have 3 tens. Take away 6 tens. I can't do it. So I need to go to the hundreds column. Here I'm going to exchange 100. I'm going to leave 200 there. I'm going to put this 100 over here. So now I have 130 take away 60, which is 70. Go to my hundreds. 200 take away nothing is 200. Why don't you have a go at this one? Take a pause in the video. and I'll explain how to do it. Okay, so here I'm going to start with the ones column. 2, take away 5. I don't have enough, so I move across to the tens column. I'm going to exchange this 10 here, which leaves me with nothing. And the 10 moves across to the ones column. And I have 12, take away 5, which is 7. I move to my tens column. I've got no tens, take away 8. I can't do it. I need to move across to the hundreds column and exchange one here. So I had 3, but now I have 2. I'm going to move this 10 over here. So now I have 100, take away 80, which is 20. Move across the hundreds, 200, take away 200, which is nothing. Hopefully you got 27. Getting slightly harder. Again, you try this one. Take a pause in the video and I'll explain how to do it. Right then, let's start in the ones column. 4, take away 6. I can't do that. So I move across to my tens column. But there are no tens there. So I need to move across to my hundreds column. So I had 500. That is now going to be reduced to 400. And the 100 gets moved over here. I start again. 4, take away 6, I can't do it. Go to the tens column. I now have enough here. So I exchange a 10, which now leaves me with 9. And I move the 10 over to the ones column. I have 14, take away 6, which leaves me with 8. I move to the tens column. 9, take away 4, or 9 tens, take away 4 tens, which is 5 tens. And then move to the hundreds. 400, take away 200 is 200. Leaving us with 258. Have a go at these questions. Take a pause in the video, then I'll give you the answers. Here we go. How did you get on? Now have a go at the worksheets for day 2.